So today is a snow day. New York City has seen the worst of this winter. It's March, what, 14th, and we're getting snow. They shut like all the trains down and everything like that. I couldn't go to work, and they anticipate us getting more snow within the next 2 to 3 hours. You see, I'm in a do rag and a t shirt and just relaxing in the house. It's crazy, but what can you do? Mother Nature wants us to have snow, so we're gonna have some damn snow. Oh man. But I'm up here watching the news and everything like that. But I have to wait for them to shovel. So this is a great birthday week. My birthday's coming up this week. So by Friday it'll be gone and I'll be able to just do whatever I want to do. So I ain't worried about it. But I just hope everybody in New York is safe and doing okay and everything. Yeah, look at the snow. It's still coming down. OMG, look at this. Look at it. It's only like 11 o'clock. This is crazy.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, lots coming into our news. And let me show you some crazy, that we're getting. This one from Valhalla in Westchester County. Big snowflakes, a pretty snow-covered road there. This one from Fairfield County, Connecticut, about 10:20. Lots of snow on the ground, as you all know by now, because
I'm sorry if this is dark and blurry. I don't feel like turning on the light. Why? It's snow day. Do what you want. So right now I'm at Applebee's with my mom and my brother, like a pre-birthday lunch. Just having a little afternoon fun with my family. I'm mom and my brother. Hi. Let's see what I want today. Yeah, me and my mom got the same thing, and my brother got steak quesadillas and onion rings.
The onion rings are huge.
Yeah, they are huge. But he don't mind.
What's that? What kind of sauce is that? Barbecue?
Probably. And this blue Hawaiian Long Island iced tea. We're gonna see how good this is, but it's about to shout at
onion rolls.
It's your birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sing it, na 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 na. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Oh my goodness.